Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs such as this. We will try to look the larger context of this verse where Jesus is teaching about the importance of humility and childlike faith. The disciples were during the time rebuking the parents for bringing their children to Jesus. But Jesus welcomed them and used them as an example of the kind of faith that pleased God. Looking the historical context of this particular passage, in Jesus' time, children were not highly valued in society and were often seen as a burden rather than a blessing. By welcoming children, valuing their presence, Jesus was challenging the cultural norms and demonstrating the importance of all individuals in God's kingdom. Itong casino, harap lang yung nakikita natin nung nakaraan, pero ngayong nag-train tayo ay mahaba talaga, malaki. Cable car. Okay, nilabsan na yun. The dancing fountain. Makita dito yung mali. Puro na pintas. Yan, pinakamalaking water park. Pero hindi masyadong makita. Occupied. Oh. Pag mailaw, occupied ang casino. Kapag kukunti ang ilaw, kukunting customer. Ganun pala yan.
Night yan, sa peso yan na mga patak 50,000.
50,000 ang per night pag peso? Nakaw, grabe. Pero kung katulad kong nagtitipid, ay wag na lang. Wag na lang. Matulog na lang ako sa dormitory sa kaya kung saan dyan. Pero dito may mga apartment dito. Ito yung okay. Dito nagsisimba yung Macau Filipino Church. Midweek prayer meeting dito.